Morning YouTube. I'm not quite awake yet, but it's Friday, 7:30 on a Friday morning, and trying to do something a bit different today. We're going pit bike racing, and the pit bike that we've got is road registered, so the tyres on it are road tyres rather than track tyres, and therefore, with the wheels being so small on a pit bike, the road tyres are actually from a moped. So I'm not quite sure how the tyres are going to hold up on the track. Should be interesting, we'll see. Might be a few crashes, get on camera, should be good. But yeah, we're going pit bike racing today, something a bit different. I know I've got superbike videos mostly on the channel, some Supermoto videos and some off-roading videos, so I thought I'd make a pit biking video since we're doing that today. Mixing it up, constantly mixing it up. As you can see, I'm just driving my car this morning. I've got to try and squeeze the pit bike into the back of the boot, and we've also got to try to squeeze me into my levers, which I haven't wore for a couple of years because I've got fatter. So should be interesting. Can we squeeze the pit bike into the boot of a Golf, and can we squeeze me into my levers? I'll let you know later. Well, we're here at last, after literally an hour and a half trying to get the front wheel back on and the brake caliper and everything. Here we finally got the bike working properly, and yeah, we've got the track to ourselves. We're sharing a bike for now, but we shall have one each soon. And it is quality, it's epic fun, really is. I'll try and get some onboard footage in a minute, but it's really, really good fun. This is our first day doing it, pretty much. First goes on the bike. We've had a couple of goes like down the street in that, but first proper go. And I thought it'd be a good idea, come to the track on a quiet day. Got the track to ourselves. So it should be good. Let's cheer him on. Let's cheer him on. Go on, Roy! Go on, Roy! Yeah! Quality. What do you reckon? Hey? That's fun. It's good, isn't it? I'm going to get some onboard footage before my camera runs out of battery. I've only got one bar. Squeeze into these bastards.
You got it before?
Hey?
You use fourth?
No idea. I think second and third.
I just use third.
Eh?
I use second and third for most of it.
Yeah, that's what I just said, yeah. What?
Time the lap.
No.
You tits.
Well, I ain't got a stopwatch.
Use the food.
Oh, I don't know where it is. We'll do it in a minute. But you got one on there, I know. I know. They're the tyres to have, because they're going to be better than slicks in the rain, but they're still just as good in the dry. So I reckon another set of them is on the cards. Oh, you broke it. See you in a minute. Right then. Tyres should still be warm from Roy's little Bez. Oh, a bit of knee down action on that corner. Drop it down a gear, knee down again. Oh! Track to ourselves. Quality. Fucking quality. Knee down again. So easy on these little bikes. So easy. And we're thinking about joining a race as well. They hold a race series on these bikes, and we're seriously considering entering. That's why we're buying another one. I mean, look how fun it is. Quality. Oh, a bit hot into that corner. We're all right. We're all right. That's it. Drop it down, backing it in. Oh, knee down. Amazing. I hope they ain't moaning about the exhaust, because when we got here we had the baffle in because they've got a noise limit, but the bike ran like a bit of a dog with the baffle in, so we took it out, and as you can tell it's quite loud now. Quite loud. Oh! 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 I've just realised my knee sliders fell off on that side, so I've been getting my knee down on the fucking Velcro. Jesus. Anyway, I thoroughly recommend this. These bikes cost probably about £1,000, and it's a relatively cheap way to get into racing, or even just really cheap track days. You know, we came here today, and this particular track lets you on any weekday, and it was 30 quid, and that's not each, that's 30 quid for the two of us. Bargain. And apparently, if you can get here during the week, the track's always like this, so you get a good old session, you get the track to yourself. But today we've got a couple of people who've booked the track for an hour in the afternoon, but that don't matter. We'll go and have some lunch, and then we've got the track to ourselves again. But 30 quid, 15 quid each for a fucking, basically a track day, is awesome. This is a Stomp 140 KZ, if anybody's wondering or thinking about getting one. I would definitely recommend it. Stomp 140 Supermoto wheels on, and them tyres are Avon Viper Strike. They're moped tyres, which I didn't think there'd be much cop, but you can see they're blistering up nicely. You can lean in the corners really far over, really far over, and they stick. They stick. It hasn't let go of me yet. The only time I feel it let go is when I've backed it down a gear
a bit too early, and back wheel's locked up, but you're not going to out that on any, no matter what tyre you got. But a track day for 15 quid, that's alright by me. And also, if you decide that you want to enter the racing, the National Mini Bike Championship or something like that, it's actually televised at the lowest level. So you can enter the races, find yourself on TV, Motors TV, you record it on your Skybox or whatever. Really good value for money, and a lot of fun per quid. Back end's coming out then. Oh no, Roy's timing me now, so I better get on it. Using all the rumble strip. Why? And the thing is as well, Roy only weighs 9 stone and I weigh 16 stone and a half, so I've got a considerable weight disadvantage. Considerable. That's it, keep it flowing. Smooth is fast. This has got to be my best lap yet. Just get this corner right. Fucking hell, this is good. It changes direction so quickly.